Hello, hello. How are you? We are on VoiceSign class or lesson number 12. It is things in the house today. And hi, is that Annie or our other watcher? Welcome, whoever you are. And we are going to learn about things in the house, how to sign things in the house today. So I want to review from last week or last video a little bit. And we're going to review our numbers and counting a little. And yeah, so go ahead and stretch while we wait for a couple people to show up. And yeah. I hope you're having a good night or day or whatever time it is that you're in your neck of the woods. Y's are really good stretches. If you want to try to stretch that Y out, that gives your hand a really good stretch. Yes? Yes. Okay. Let's count to 30. Ready? From 0. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you on your first finger now for 9? The big finger for the big number? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, by 5s, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, yes, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 2,000, etc. The aliens are here. Yes. Mill, bill, try, but, mill, bill, mill, buy, try, quad, and etc., etc. Yes. And then the aliens, million, billion, like that. Okay. Do you have questions on counting or the numbers or anything like that? If so, put them in comments. And I am going to pull up the sentence making session from last video, and we're going to review. So in the earlier class, I said a little bit about, hi, Annie. Annie, it has been a week. It feels like a full week already, and it is only Wednesday. I am so happy you are here, and someone else is here with you. So welcome. Thank you for coming back. And breathe, and breathe. And in the last, the 1 o'clock lesson on Facebook, Today I talked about see, not see what we do with our eyes, but the sign system. Hey, Annie says, "Hi, Alexis." She's all excited now. I was talking about see, signing exact English. Okay. If you are looking at the lesson sheets, then you maybe have seen the word see from the sign is from C or ASL or voice sign. So what is C? Signing exact English. In America, most people think of ASL right now when they think of a sign language in America. In America, I don't know why I keep wanting to do that. In America, a hand all the way down, America. And actually, do you know ASL is French? American Sign Language is French. I think that is funny, but it is what it is. Anyway, so we have ASL, and then we have there's C, Signing Exact English. And so just by that title, that sounds like voice sign, what I say about voice sign, right? So why did I not just start using C if it signs English? Well, that is a good question. And the reason why is because very rarely do you find C classes. So just finding a way to learn it was not easy. I could not find any classes in C where I lived, and I live in a big city. So I could not find classes, and C was made for people who are deaf. It was made for ASL people to help them learn to better understand written English. It was not intended to take over ASL and give deaf people an English sign system. It was just meant to help them understand English a little. It's made for deaf people by deaf people, and it I think they had hearing people help build it, but they do not have a goal of one sign for every English word. They only have maybe 5,000 signs, and we have 750,000 words in the English language, and we use 30,000 words on a daily basis. We just do. And so they have like 5,000 in a dictionary, 5,000 signs. So it's a lot of signs, but not anything. And there is no goal to make it more signs, and it's intrinsic in ASL customs and cultures and the way they sign things in any way. It's just, we needed something else. So that is why voice sign started, for another reason. So, and that is a little bit about C. So if you have more questions about that, feel free to ask. Otherwise, let's review from last week, or I'm sorry. See, it's a long week already. We're going to review from last Monday, or the last video. Okay, so I say it, you sign it. Ready? Big, big, sign big. Did you do this with B hands? Big, good. Little, little, little. Your L hand and bring it down just a little, little, little. New. Do you remember new? Make sure your lead hand with your fingers are coming in towards your body. New, new. Thing, 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 like that. Here, did you take your H hand and bring it into you? Here, H-E-R-E, like right here, here, here. So H hand, palm up, bring it in towards you, arc it around. Here and there is just the opposite. There, there, here and there. Good. This and that. This and that. This is right here. Point to your support hand side. And then that is a Y hand and just out in front of you. That. This and that. This and that. And then will. Will. W-I-L-L. Will. Like that. And last word from Monday is be. B-E-B. Do you remember? B. B-E. Be well. Be. Like that. Good? I hope so. Unless there's questions, I'm going to move on. A lot of those signs were mixed. Some were ASL, some there's like a C sign in there, and then many were voice sign because they are the sentence making words, and ASL just does not use those words in their language. But today, all the signs are ASL signs. So think they are things in the house and just objects, and they're pretty easy. And so I think you will like them. Okay, all ASL. So phone. She's bouncing around to some music. I'm sorry. Phone. And I'm asking you like you are gonna like just pick it up out of the air. I'm sorry. Hold on. Alexis. She doesn't even hear me. I'm sorry. It is a week. Phone is like this. I'm so sorry. Phone. Annie, are you old enough to see that as a phone? I sure am. You know, in the old days, we had the phones on the wall. I had to pick up the handle, and it was this big handle like that. Yeah. So phone is a Y hand with your thumb at your ear and your pinky at your mouth, like you were talking on the old time phone. And this is oh, you are definitely old enough. Well, good. There's people out there who are not old enough to know what this means. If you were to say phone, they'd be like, why that? Because look at what we do now, right? With the cell phones. And so actually there is talk. So ASL every twice in my life, they've gone through a big revision and revised their signs and things like that. So there's like these old time signs. I can tell if someone learned a sign when I was a kid because they sign different than now. And anyway, there's talk about ASL changing the phone sign. This is phone in ASL too, to this because that's how all the phones are nowadays. So anyway, to me, a funny story, but VoiceSign just decided to keep the old time phone. So phone like that. And there's microphone. Phone now, this sign now becomes a suffix or more like compound words and things like that. It can be added to another sign to make things like microphone and megaphone and telephone and, you know, all these other words that have phone in it. You would just put that at the end of the sign like so. Okay, moving on. Book. Book, B-O-O-K, book, like this. Okay, so it's just like you're opening a book. You can see that, yes? Book. Good. Chair. Okay, so you have your chair right here, your lead hand are your legs, and you're going to bend them like these are your knees, and you're going to just sit those legs in a chair. You're going to do it twice. Chair, chair, chair. Like that. Chair. Okay? Chair. Couch is a really long chair, isn't it? Couch. So you tap once, and then do you see my C hands? My palms are down, and I'm just kind of going along the line of the couch. 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 Do you see? Couch. Okay. Table. It's like this. Okay, I'm going to talk you through this one. Make sure this is your flat arm here is your support arm. The one that's up right now is my lead arm. And I'm going to kind of attach my lead elbow to my support fingers. Okay, and I'm going to pivot from there. And I'm going to tap twice with my palm by my support elbow. Like this. So if you're doing this, it is not table. Rock it, pivot it, okay? Twice. Table. And it could be little. Table. So, table. Do you see? Table. Okay. One more, then we'll review those words. So, bed. Bed is like this, just like you're sleeping in it. It's like you're laying down on a pillow. Bed. Bed. And this is my lead hand. Okay, so one thing is, do we have time? No, I've told too many stories. So at some point, I want to remember to tell you and show you why it's best to pick a lead hand and stay with that. Okay, but not this lesson. So let's review these words so far. We have phone. Phone. Book. That one's easy, right? Open the book. Book. Chair. Twice. Sit in the chair. Twice. Chair. Couch. It's a long chair. Yes, once. Then see hands out to the sides. Couch. Table. Yes. Anchor it. Tap twice. Table. Table. And bed. Yes. Like you're laying on one. Okay. Annie, do not fall asleep on bed. Me too. Okay, moving on. We have toilet. Toilet. Okay. For me, this is a funny story too that I want to share with toilet, and that is in ASL. This is the sign you use if you have to go to the bathroom. It doesn't matter if you have to use the toilet or just go to wash your hands or have a bath. You say toilet. You don't even say go. You don't say go. There's no to or ing, so there's just go. You don't even say that. You're just like toilet, and you're off to it. No matter what you're doing in there, toilet. So, and it's like you're flushing the toilet, like the little handle on the toilet. So T hand twice, rock it down. I think of my pinky side coming closer to the ground. Okay, twice, toilet. And that is ASL, and they use that for whatever they do in that bathroom. But in VoiceSign, if we say, I'm going to the toilet, we sign that. If we say, I am going to the bathroom, that is what we sign. So, bath, room, bathroom, bath. It's like your S hands, and it's like you're scrubbing your body right here. Kind of A hands, S hands. A hands? It's S hands. A hands. They kind of, I don't know. Put your fist right here on your chest and scrub for bath. And then room. Do you remember kitchen? And I said that was based off of the sign for room. Room is just with flat hands, sides of the room, and then front and back. Room. Room. Bathroom. So if you are used to ASL, you're going to be like, I just want to sign toilet. It's easier, right? Bathroom. It's a handful. but still, we want to hearing people, as a general rule, want to sign what they say. So bathroom. And now that's the deal, right? Bathroom. You just got 3 signs. Bath. This is the sign for bath. So you're going to the bathroom to have a bath. Yeah, you have bath now. And you have room. Then put them together for bathroom. Okay? Office. Like kitchen and room, but with O's for office. 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 Yes? Office. Then we have computer. Okay? Computer. Computer. So it's a C hand, and I'm tapping my thumb right up here on my forehead, right up at the top. And I'm tapping twice. Computer. Computer. So that is a deal too, right? You just learned compute and the ending ER. Computer. Computer. So now you can say officer. Yes? Officer. Thinger. From Monday, thinger. Like that. Compute, computed, computing, computes, compute, computer. So the ending, if I didn't clarify, it just, the palm comes straight out into an R, no matter where you are in the sign. So whatever you're signing, like computer, I turn my palm out to an R. Officer, turned it out to an R. Officer, like that. Do you see? I hope so. Okay. Next is house. Did you see me do that earlier? House. House. The roof of the house is first. So I'm going to tap my fingers together, my fingertips right here, and come down like I'm going down a roof. And then the sides of the house. House, house, house. Yes? House. And where? It's like where? Kind of like, if you're looking for something, you're like, where? Where? Except for you don't need to do your head. You can, but where? Where? Just a one hand. Where? And last word, on. Probably the easiest word, on. Just put your lead hand on your support hand. On. Make sure palms are down. And you're going to kind of cross your fingers over each other. So it's not like this. It's like this. On. Yes? Let's review. We started with toilet, didn't we? Toilet. What's toilet? Did you do this twice? Toilet. Toilet. Yes, good. How about bathroom? Sign that. Bathroom. Bathroom. Office. Like kitchen and room, but with O hands. Office. Good. Computer. 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 Good. About computed? Did you do this? Computed. Good. House. House. Where? Yeah, where? And on. On. Just like that. Okay, good? Yes? We talked about most of the bonus words that I have here already. It didn't tell you what can you do with book. What can you turn book into? Lenny, did you sign books? How about booked? Booked. How about booking? Booking. Yeah. How about booker? Booker. Yes. There's one more word you can make. Actually, maybe two. Oh no. Bookable. Bookable. I don't know if that's even a word, but we can say it. So bookable. And then there's one more, though. One more. It's a compound word from two words you learned today. The first two, actually. Phone and book makes phone book. And if you did not know why this is phone, you might not even know what a phone book is anymore, right? But still, it is a word. Phone book. Phone book. Okay, let me give you a couple of sentences. So, try this. Again. What's that? Again. One more time. Can you answer that? I asked, what is your house number? Can you say your house number? Mine. is like 8,000. Okay. Ready? Again. And again. And you got it, Annie. What color is your favorite toilet? Well, pink, purple, gold. um, Good job, Annie. And yeah, number. We practice the numbers, but not the sign for number, right? And we did not do that one a lot. So number. Okay, one more. Again. And again. One more time. What? Hey, good job, Annie. You got it. What color is the old couch in the office? Good job. Okay. Well, there are some sentences for you and more on the lesson sheets. And yeah, so we have what, 3 more weeks? I think we have 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, 3 more weeks for this class. So come back next Monday and for more signs. And go rest. Have a good night and a good week and a better weekend. And I will see you in the next video on Monday. Bye.